going on, guys? I'm Ryan. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. In this video, let's have a look at this Bowmaker soundbar, 190 watts, 2.1 soundbar on a budget price. This model is a Tapio 3, so let's do a quick unboxing and then we'll test what this soundbar can really offer. Let's go, guys. The box is so big, barely fits on the table. So you have the logo there, Tapio 3. Alright, so everything looks like really well packed. Let me remove everything from the box so you guys can see it. Okay, so we have these two units, the soundbar itself that we need to put together, and the sub, and one more box of goodies. Okay, so this is basically everything you get in the box. Let's start from here. So you have a subwoofer there, wired one. You have the soundbar itself that we need to put together. And we have some bits and bobs here. So you have the wall plug. You have a RCA cable to 3.5mm. Also included as an optical cable. A standard remote. Some bits and bobs so you can mount the soundbar on the wall. Everything you need there. A 3-year warranty extended card, and there is also a user manual. Okay, so to put the soundbar together, there's two connectors here, one of each side of the soundbar, and what you need to do is basically do this, and the soundbar it's ready to go. Here you can see the subwoofer, the wire on the back. Okay, looking at the specs here, we can see this sub as a speaker of 5.25 inch. There's a nice rubber fit there on the sub as well. And here you can see the fabric, and the speaker is right there. So this is the soundbar itself. So you have the Bowmaker logo there. Not sure if you guys can see the speakers through this mesh at the bottom. We got some specs here as well. And on the back of the soundbar we can see the power in, a plug for the sub, one USB, one aux port, the optical port, and the ARC or ARC HDMI port. And on the side there's 4 rubber buttons. That's basically it. There's nothing else. I'm trying to show you here the best I can, but there's nothing else there. You can see the feet there, the specs with the logo, and on the front we have this mesh, metal mesh, and we have the speakers there. Yeah, guys, let's put this to the test. Let's plug this into the TV so we can see what this soundbar is all about. Okay, so now the soundbar is plugged to the TV via the optical cable. I put the sub there on the side so you guys can see, and of course the soundbar is right there. Let's just do a few tests here, guys.
Let's say you figured out how to do something.
Alright, now hold still.
Hey, what are you doing?
We need water.
We're gonna do a quick comparison between the sound that is produced from the soundbar to the sound produced from the TV. But in my honest opinion, guys, of course I cannot give you the full experience, but you need to trust me on this. You get that surrounding sound, and the sub does a big job here. Of course you can control the bass. Using the keys on the remote you can go to -6 to +6. Another thing you can do is change the EQ straight there on the remote.
I was born after Judgment Day into a broken world.
Let's just do a quick comparison. This is one of my videos. So the sound now is playing from the soundbar. And now let's do the same, but the sound will be produced from the TV. So different, guys. You need to trust me on this. It's night and day, honestly.
Hey, what's
What's going on, guys? I'm Ryan. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back.
Of course, you can always connect your mobile phone to the soundbar via Bluetooth, and by doing that you can control the sound on the phone or on the remote. For example, let me turn the sound up a bit here. And because it's using Bluetooth 5.0, it's very responsive. Of course, you can control the sound with the phone. Or here, using the remote. Not sure if you guys can tell the sound quality. Of course, it's really difficult to get the sound from this camera to capture the sound in full, but I guess you guys can get the idea. Okay, so let's now test this decibel meter. So I'm gonna shut up for a second so you guys can see the room noise. It's around 34, and now let's play something. Yeah, I can reach 100 decibels, but of course the neighbors will knock on the door in any minute now. Yeah guys, saying that, I think it's time to wrap this video. Overall, I think this is a good unit. 190 watts, 2.1 channel. If you want to replace the original Sound of Zeus TV with something a bit better, nice surrounding sound, the bass is quite good in my honest opinion. Yeah guys, there's not much to say about it. So far so good, especially for the price. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. If you want me to try anything in particular, please do let me know down below in the comments, and I'll try my best to show you. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like always, thank you very much for watching, and hope I can see you all in the next one.